So something in your Google Sheets is going wrong, or you're thinking, there's a better way to do this. And you're like, hey, I think Google should know about this. I'm going to share with you 2 ways to send feedback to Google. One way in your Google Sheet, if you're just in a Google Sheet and you're like, hey, I need some formatting of this sheet to be done in this particular way, I want to ask, go up to the Help menu bar up here. Go to Help Sheets Improve. Here we can see on the right side, we have 2 options, report an issue or suggest an idea. If we want to suggest an idea, we can say, hey, I think you should have more interactions with A available. If you want to send a screenshot, you can. And if you want them to email you, select this box down here. Click send and suggestion sent. I want to show you something interesting that happens when we ask for help though. Help Sheets Improve and report an issue. Here we have an option of variety of things we can maybe have a problem with. So like for visualized data, I want to create a chart inside a cell, not over the cell, for example. Let's hit next. And right away we can see that there's some articles that it suggests that might be able to help us. And in this case, this one doesn't. Edit your chart axis, column charts, no. Type of charts, no, this doesn't actually answer my particular question, but at least it gives some options, which is very, very interesting. We can click send and still send our issue. I want to share one more way you can suggest features or get help. Go into your form responses. Next to the name form responses up here is this arrow. We can send feedback. And this is exactly the same place, but probably more for forms. Suggest an idea. We should have forms that can be updated and then request that anyone who has not answered the answered questions to answer them. And only them. Might be a cool thing to do, right? If we want to capture a screenshot, sure, we can. Click send, and there. We can also go back and send feedback and see report an issue. And we also have the same exact ratio. We can say, my Google form doesn't update to people who have taken a form quiz before and I have changed the questions. I want to email only those who have taken it. Click next. And again, it tries to give you some answers here. Probably don't answer that. And click send. There's how to send feedback to Google. If you're looking to get more out of Google Sheets than you ever have before, consider subscribing here on YouTube to Better Sheets. It really helps.